I guess welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you Eufy Smart Scale P2 Pro versus Eufy Smart Scale P3. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content. And watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step.
Here you will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about weight measurement. Pro provided 400 lbs, 180 kg weight measurement, and P3 provided 100 lbs 80 kg. So both are equal. Now let's look at the body composition matrix. P2 Pro provided 14 essential metrics: weight, BMI, body fat, etc. And P3 provided 16 essential metrics included visceral fat and muscle mass. So P3 is better. User profile. P2 Pro provide up to 16 users, and it is also provided by P3, so both are equal. Now let's look at the app compatibility. P2 Pro provided Eufy Life app, iOS and Android, and it is also provided by P3, so both are equal. Now let's look at the connectivity. P2 Pro provided Bluetooth 4.0 and P3 provided Bluetooth 5.0, so P3 is better. Now let's look at the display type. P2 Pro provided LED display and P3 provided LCD display with more data info, so P3 is better. Now let's look at the accuracy. P2 Pro provided high accuracy with bioimpedance analysis, and P3 provided high accuracy with improved sensors, so P3 is better. Now let's look at the design. P2 provided sleek tempered glass design, and P3 provided modern design with color options, so P3 is better. Now let's look at the battery life. P2 provided 6 month 4x AAA batteries, and it is also provided by P3, so both are equal. Now let's look at the price. The price of P2 is more affordable and the price of P3 is slightly more expensive, so P2 Pro is better. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.